Hey everyone, my name is Ethan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to quickly and easily change the oil on your Lo206 engine. Let's go! Before we start, let's go over what materials we're going to need. First, you're going to need a 10mm or adjustable wrench. Next, you will need a measuring cup or similar device to measure out the amount of oil we're going to use. Ours happens to be attached to our funnel, which brings us to our next item. Our next material is a funnel of some sort. Here's one that works, and here's one we're going to be using, which is built specifically for oil changes. Next, you'll need a catch can of some sort to catch the used oil from the engine. For this, we cut open a new oil container to use as our drain pan. Next, you'll need an Allen key like this one to help open the fill plug. Lastly, you will need the engine oil itself. We will be using the Briggs and Stratton 4T engine oil. The first step to changing your oil is identifying the drain plugs and the fill plugs on the front and back of the engine. The drain plugs are near the bottom and have a square plug that is usually metal. As you can see, there's one on the front and on the back of the motor. Next, we'll identify the fill plugs, which have yellow caps on the front here and the back here. It's important to know the differences so you do not mix them up. Now we're going to do the first step in changing our oil, which is emptying the engine of the old oil. We're going to start with our drain pan and our 10mm wrench, take off the front drain plug, you can do it through the back as well, and drain the oil. Once the plug is removed, the oil will start to drain out the front. You can aid this process by lifting the cart from the back to help the oil flow out easier. Now we can take some paper towels and wipe out the excess. Great, now that we've drained the oil, remember to replace the oil drain plug before you fill it up. When tightening the drain plug, don't tighten it too tight, just snug so that it doesn't come out, but not hard enough that it makes it difficult to remove next time. The next step is to measure out how much oil you're going to use. We use about 13 ounces. Alright, now that we've got it all measured out, it's time for the fun part, filling. Before we fill the engine, we're going to remove the front plug. You can also remove the back plug and fill from there too. In order to remove it, we're going to use this Allen key wrench to get in between here and loosen it up. Great, now that we've got the fill plug off, set it to the side and let's fill it up with the oil. Once you've replaced the oil, remember to replace the plug back onto the engine. Alright guys, that's it. The quick and easy way to change oil on your Lo206. If you enjoyed the video, please consider leaving a like, and if you want to see more videos, how-tos, vlogs, and other content related to karting, please hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with my newest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.